I'm about to show you how you can download the new Schedule 1 game for free in just a few steps. So this is a new indie game that is very trending right now and a lot of people is playing it. So to download it you just need to go to Steam and then go to the text field right here to search for a game and search for Schedule 1. So there are two ways you can play this game. The first one is by downloading the free sample, which you can get from this button right here. Just click it and download it. And this is basically like a free demo for the game. And this way you can play a free sample completely for free. So that's the first option. But if you want to play the full game right now, you just need to add the game to your cart, just like this. Then view my cart and add your payment method or payment information. In my case, I have balance on my Steam wallet, so I'm gonna continue to payment and then just scroll down, agree to the terms and purchase the game. Now this will appear where you can see this button to install the content of the game. So if you click there, you can choose between your drives. In my case, I'm gonna install it on this drive right here. So click install, and now it will take a few minutes depending on your internet speed to download the game, and after that you can play as much as you want. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.